everyone and welcome to another video. This week I am back planning for the week that is 29th of January to the 4th of February. Today is actually Monday the 5th, but I wanted to try and do a back plan. This week here was my hens celebration, like Bachelorette kind of thing that happened from, you know, over the weekend. And I know I wanted to use this kit, and I know I didn't want to fill it up with like boring daily tasks, so I thought I might back plan it kind of as a memory keep and see how that works. Now I'm kind of losing my voice because there was so much talking and like singing and yelling over the weekend, so I sound a little bit husky, but I hope that's okay. I'm quickly going to go through the kit. This is by Blackbird Print Co. and I am in love with it. I did haul it in, I think, my Black Friday sticker haul. So if you want to see it in more depth, go check that out. I'll quickly flip through it now. So there are these foiled half boxes here. Foiled full boxes. You have washi and date strips and things like that. You have, this is bottom washi. Then we have patterned washi, some more foiled goodness, some sidebar stuff, icons and weekend banner, some glitter headers, which I'm probably not going to use, I don't think. More foiled boxes, other half boxes, and some great deco, and some of it's foiled too. And then we've got other headers, hydrate, and little things there with your check boxes. So let's get into it, shall we? I have a list written out of everything I did throughout the week anyway, because I have it in my bullet journal. I'm gonna try and mix up kind of how I plan. Just, you know, see, maybe try something new, maybe not, I'm not sure. I really love these headers. These icons are so cute. And yeah, we'll just get into it. Okay. So I'm still going to use actually. This is actually from IKEA. And it's gold foil, but it kind of looks like almost like rippling water or like cracked desert. I think it will match the kit slightly better than the full patterned washi. The full gold washi. So I'm going to lay it down. Line it up properly. And yeah, so like I said, I'm back planning, so I don't know how this is going to go. I've back planned before, but that was like, you know, just regular plans, you know, like laundry day on Monday, blah blah blah. Never like a memory keeping kind of thing, which I'm pretty excited for. But also a little bit nervous because I don't want to overthink it. Like, I want this spread to look really good, but I don't want to, you know, like I said, overthink it, and then I get too in my head about it, and then I end up hating it, or, you know. And because it's a foiled kit, it's going to be so pretty, and I don't want to, like, waste a foiled kit on something I'm not happy with. I don't know. I'm a little bit nervous about it, so we'll see. Alright, I'm going to grab that bottom washi back. Okay, it's down. That only took like half an hour. Not really, but feels like it. Okie dokie. Oh my gosh, my throat is starting to get sore from talking. I've only been talking for like not even 10 minutes, so we'll see how this video turns out. If I end up losing my voice, I'll just finish the rest in a voiceover, because that's what we're gonna have to be working with. Okay, bottom washi is down and I love it. So Monday. Okay, even though I said I wasn't gonna use the glitter headers, I've been looking at them and I think I'm gonna use some. I just don't think I'm gonna use this green here. So instead of using the script headers, I will save them for something else. Now I'll just use these ones, these glitter headers, so the black, and they're two greens, because this one's kind of dark, it doesn't really sparkle. I'm gonna go with the headers. It's going to stagger them, I think. Black. So dark. Okay, so black, darker green, lighter green. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. We're going to give this a go. It's just gonna... We're going to make it work. Okay. Ta-da! Done. Okay. Now do I bump these all the way up against the header or do I leave space? I leave a little bit of space. Okay. And so put them there. Like that. I'm gonna put this one down here. Okay. I'm going to stagger my full boxes this way as usual, or do I want to start this way? This nice white one over here. Like so. We had bring this here. Hopefully these all stay down now. Okay. And then I'm going to bring in another icon, one of these ones from the kit, and put it here. Okay, I think I've got a style worked out, maybe kind of, I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that makes sense. Dadoy. And then this section, I'm going to put, we had dinner and a girls' night. So she does have dinner little things. I might put one of them in. Might grab a black one. And girls' night, I think I'm going to use one of the quarter boxes, which ended up where? Here. Just going to use this green one here. Put that down here. And I kind of want to use one of these because we did watch it, kind of. This almost looks like a TV. I'm going to use one of these. Oh wait, they have a TV. Haha, ha 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 ha. Okay, that was just so much of nothing. I'm going to put that here. Ooh, ooh, or here. No, here. There we go. Oh my gosh, why was that so freaking hard? Okay, we have one day done. I'm gonna go down and put all of the headers down. Okay, so I've just put down all the headers and in a staggered kind of way. I've staggered them all and I really like how they turned out. I'm feeling better about this. I'm overthinking it and it's so stupid, but I really want this to look good. Ugh. Okay, so hopefully this can stop being so choppy and changing right now. So I'm going to put down my checklists at the top. Well, not sure if you just heard that music or not, but Chris just got home and he's like, oh, sorry, you're recording. I'm like, no, that's fine. Because I had my camera off, so we're chatting. He's like, okay, I'm going to go get a start on dinner. Do you want me to shut the door? I'm like, it's okay. I shouldn't be able to hear you, like, clanking around. He's like, oh, no, I wanted to put some music on. I'm like, oh, yeah, okay. Probably a good idea to shut the door then. And then he put the music on the Spotify, and instead of it playing through the TV like he wanted, it started playing through my computer, which is directly in front of me. So even though he tried so hard to keep quiet, have his music on, and let me finish filming, the music still came through here. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Okay, checklists down. Now moving on to Tuesday. I went shopping with my mom and her partner at about 10:30. I'll put it here. That was when, like 12:30. Then what happened? Ooh, full box. That's what happened. I should go and put my full boxes in. So I don't even think I've actually talked to you guys about what is going, like what this weekend is and why I chose this kit. So once I get started with my icons and things, I will give you a little story time. Also, one sheet finished. Okay. No, we're good. So the reason I chose this kit is because, firstly, it's stunning, and secondly, this weekend was my hens weekend, which hens is like the opposite of a bucks, like the Bachelorette kind of thing. And so what I did was we rented a holiday house for the weekend from Friday to Sunday, and yeah, we stayed there. It was like a beautiful pool house, and 8 of us stayed there together, and it was just really, really good. I'm going to use the $ off of this one because I'm putting it on a foiled box, and I'm going to use these other ones for other things. So yeah, we did our wedding finances this day. Fun. Not really, but you know, just money, 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 money. What else did I do on Tuesday for 2 seconds? I had the most relaxing bath ever. Cool. So, I know I've got some me time stickers somewhere. Here. I'm going to put this here. Now, do I want to put this in a foil box? Because, you know, why not? Oh, is that too much foil? Is that too much foil? No, maybe. I don't know. Or I might use some of this washi. Oh, no. Ooh, yeah. Nice. Finances, me time, shopping, 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 lunch. And then whatever else. So yeah, we stayed in a holiday house. 8 of us did. And we had a wine tour on a Saturday, and then it was so much fun. We checked in on a Friday, and yeah, it was like all tropical and cool, and yeah, it was just so much fun. Just kind of like why I chose this kit, and you know what kind of happened this week. So I worked on Wednesday. And then I also had to call the place we were stopping in for lunch on a wine tour. I had to call them to organise payment I had to call the place we were going to for lunch because I had to pay them for our wine tour group that was going in, and then I had to update the, like, we had an event page on Facebook. I'm gonna update Facebook, or Facebook group, that's good, about that we were booked in for lunch and I can't wait, it's gonna be so much fun. And so yeah, call them, and then I'm gonna write, pay them, update the Facebook group. This was all basically on my lunch break. And what else did I do that day? Oh, that's right. So here I got Happy Mail. I'm going to mark it with one of these. These ones are from Fox and Cactus because I got in some Happy Mail. And then I filmed my February monthly. So that'll be coming up soon. Where was the other flag? Or do I want to put it on a mini flag? Or do I want to do... No, I think I want to do the washi thing again. That was really cool. And that was really cool. So lame. I'm going to use... I think this ends up being a solid green washi because there's no pattern on it. Happy Mail. That looks cute. Then there was like a plan time. Or there it is. Plan. That's enough room. There we go. I'm gonna write film Feb, or like February monthly. Cool. Thursday. Ooh, Thursday was busy-ish, kind of. I worked all day. Surprise, surprise. Which means I need another one of those work stickers. And basically anything that's foiled that's not in the kit is from Arctic Paper Studio. Unless I mention otherwise. So, work takes up a chunk of my day. Then after that, okay, I want to use the nail polish that comes in the kit, which is just a normal green one, or do I want to use these nail appointments? I'm gonna use these nail appointments. They're super cute. And these ones are from Plan Envy Get Organized. I'm gonna put that on one of these. Nail appointment. I'm gonna write the time there. Oh, Tuesday was payday as well. I do have some gold payday stickers. Where did they go? Here they go. So these foiled ones are gold foil, and they're from Made by Elisa, or Made by Elisa. I keep saying the name, but I probably keep saying it wrong. So I'm going to put payday right here. Sweet. Ooh, what is this? What is this? There we go. I should put down the weekend banner before I forget. Weekend banner. Okay, chuck that down before I forget. Do I want to put it up here? I think I do. Bring some foil up here. Because I don't have many to-dos on these days. There we go. Very nice. Okay, nail appointment, then had dinner. This one. I'll put it here. And write sushi with Chris and Amber. Okay, Friday. Ooh, so much stuff. Grocery shopping in the morning. which is good because we have a little foiled grocery icon with you. Mark that I woke up at 7 because I don't like waking up anything before like 9 o'clock. Anything before like 8 is just no. I'm not a morning person at all. Okay. Wake up, 7 o'clock. Then we had to do grocery shopping. Yes. Grocery shopping. Then Chris left. He had his bucks this weekend as well. Then I had to pack. Oh, Amber got here and I had to pack everything. Okay, and so to pack everything, it's gonna be this one. Because just like me, last minute packing. Last minute getting it done. Cool. And then this, what else is here? We got to the house. We called an Uber to the house, which was, oh my gosh, actually no, I'm gonna mark that Uber ride because it was such a fun ride. We had so much stuff and the Uber driver was so great. I mean, Amber and I shared a bottle of wine together as an early celebratory thing. So we're a little bit wine tipsy. It's fine. And we're just chatting about the weirdest things in the Uber, and the guy was an absolute champion. So yay, Uber driver. So then we ended up getting to the house, and it was amazing. So I'm gonna mark that with one of these gold foil boxes, which reminds me of Charlie Bucket's gold ticket from Willy Wonka. So we basically got to the house. We may have ordered Uber Eats, but whatever. And we went in the pool. And this is where we lived our best lives. We had a pool float. This sticker is from Fox and Cactus. We had a pool float very similar to this. Instead of a unicorn, it was a swan. And we named him Hercules. And the guys, because as I said, my partner had his bucks this weekend. They also went to a house and they had a pool there. They bought a unicorn, basically this whole thing here. It was unicorn, it had a rainbow mane. It was like a floaty with like a floaty ring in it. And they called theirs Hades because we had Hercules, so they had Hades. And I think that's just like the coolest thing ever. Yeah. So this was us. It was great. Then Friday night we had a Mexican fiesta. So I'm going to put this gold foil quarter box in here. We all sat around a dining room table, like all of the girls that were staying there. We just had like a really cute time. So I'm gonna mark it with a little love heart. Waking up at 7 o'clock again. Rude. Because I didn't get to sleep on Friday until 2. I mean, more fool me, but we're just like, I was chatting with my friends and we stayed up, so. Had to do breakfast, get ready, and lock up the house. They were our main to-dos. Then we had the wine tour. And after that, we got back to the house. We chilled in a pool. Like this floral tropical box. And put it here. I need a bath time sticker, I think, because things got wild. Not really, but kind of. Put that there. Then I need to fit 2 more faces in it. I need a blonde one I'm going to use the Winky Kissy Face. But I'm going to trim off some of the white space around her head so it kind of fits a little bit better, I think. Oh my gosh, sticker surgery is so nerve-wracking. On there. And then, so this is me, this is Amber, and then we need one for Lucy. Her cute little face. Oh my gosh, this one. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so the reason I'm cutting out the reason I'm putting representing the 3 people in a one tub is because we came over in a wine tour, we went in the pool, then people started getting ready, and Lucy, me, and Amber decided we were going to have a spa bath together. So I really wanted to mark that in my planner, especially as a memory keep, because there's this kind of these long running things. So whenever we do a girls trip and there's a spa bath, we always try and cram as many people as we can into it. As many people as we can. So that's what we did. We had 3 of us in this little spa bath. It was actually a really good size. Like for 1 person, oh my gosh, it was great. 2 people was, you know, comfy. 3 people it was a bit cozy. So I really want to mark that we had our tradition of spa bath. Going to, ooh, careful for that, because I'm going to put Lucy's head here and Amber's in the middle, maybe. Hang on, Lucy, hang on. All right. Okay, so put that here. Put Amber here, and then Lucy, ooh, here. What I got up to, was I explaining? Because my camera just, my memory card was full, so blur. So yeah, the 3 of us were in a hot tub, Lucy, Amber, and myself, whilst people were getting ready, and it was just such a fun time, tradition-wise, and yeah. Good times. Now, we went out, we finished getting ready, and then we went out to town, and I want to mark that with a mermaid, which sounds a bit weird. Should be, I think I've got mermaids getting ready. Let me just flip through my stickers, but I'll explain why. So one of the places I wanted to go to was, or is called the Atlantis Bar, and it's all like underwatery like colors, and there's a massive aquarium in the middle of it, like a tube aquarium, like just in the middle, and sometimes they have a mermaid swimming in there. Unfortunately, there was no mermaid when we went, but there was still like all these fish, and it was still really, really cool. And just randomly, it was like Latino night, and that was just the greatest thing ever, because we danced and we listened to like great like Latino music, and it was just awesome. So I loved it. It's like, because yeah, when we heard it was like Latina night, I feel like, no, like maybe Kate don't want to go there, you know, like what does the bride want, blah blah blah. I'm like, heck yes, I want to go to Latina night. Like, come on now. I just had to find my mermaids putting makeup on. I'm gonna use the other foiled quarter box for this one. Oh no. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna put this here. And I'm going to put this one or this one? I think this one. Just here. And write Atlantis and Oz because they're the places that we went to. And that was my full-on Saturday. It doesn't seem like much, but when you wake up at, when you go to bed at like 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning, you wake up at 7 and you have a full day of wine tour and swimming and everything. It is, you are exhausted. So we ended up getting back really late anyway. But we had to check out at 10, which means I woke up at 8:30, but I'm going to write the checkout time. It's going to be my main thing here. Checkout time. There. And then we had another Uber home. I paid for that. Okay. Uber drive. Then with Amber we came back to my house, and then Lucy came after. We were meant to have like a brunch, like a bridal brunch, but that didn't happen, which I'm kind of bummed about, but you know, it is what it is. Because yeah, I was gonna have like bridal brunch and we're gonna hang down the bay and have like an amazing beach day to like swim off our hangovers. It's like, I really wanted to use these cute little stickers here, but that didn't happen, so that's alright though, it's fine. It's fine, I'm okay with it, it's fine. No, it is, it's fine. So yeah, instead I just paid for an Uber home with Amber, and then Lucy met us at my place, and we jumped in the pool. I have a little like inflatable pool for summer, and it's the greatest. So how do I want to mark that? I'm going to take this last foiled box on the sheet, faces again. So I need 1 blonde and 2 brunettes. Amber I'll put in the middle. I think I'll use this one. So Amber, and then I'll go me and Lucy. I'll use this cute little winky face. Okay. So I'll put, wait, Lucy, get information. Alright ladies, now let's get information. Don't peel up any of that floor, Jeffries. Floor foil. That's better. And that's there. Pool time, real MVPs. Yeah boy. I'm just going to mark that with this. I'm going to put it here in a to-do list. Cool. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I'm going to work on my sidebar this week. I'll use that one. I don't know what one. I'll use this one, I think. Oh, this is the next week. No. I went this week. That looks better. Now there are trackers somewhere here. There is a tracker. Sweet. I'm going to use that for teeth whitening and such, I think. I need to buy I need to take these mini checklists. I love using these as a sidebar. So I took this sidebar kind of like my priorities thing. To buy and important. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I've got what, a little bit of space down here. Do I just fill it up with washi or? I think I will. Oh, there we go. Haha. Nice. Okay, I'm going to cut some flags out of these washi strips here and put down the deco, and I'll be right back. So I just put down a deco, put down the flags, chopped everything off and filled it in, and this is the final look. Firstly, the foil is absolutely everything on this. I love it, and I really love how it turned out. It's just perfect. I love it so much. As always, all the shops will be linked down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Bye!